You really caught a bird.
Really?
Is that the big one?
Alright, well, how are we going to fix
What is it? What is that?
He's got something. It looks, it's gliding. This stingray?
Hey, Lisa, big fish.
Oh my
And a
gosh.
bird.
What do I do? Should I cut my line?
You gotta pull him in, because now he's gonna fly off with the line on him.
Look, Hunter caught a big fish. Really catch that fish.
Look, Lisa, he's got a bird on him.
Do you want, which one do you want me to recover?
It is a ray?
Stingray. Okay.
The net is in the boat.
Okay, Chip got a stingray.
And he got a bird.
Hold. Let me fight a little bit.
Hunter trying to catch it. Get him.
Okay, you reel him in.
Here.
Hunter, get him.
Go get it.
And move this out the way.
Yeah, got the bird.
Hunter, you gotta reel it in.
Get him in.
Help me a little here.
Sure. Hold on 1 second.
Get the net off.
Is that really a stingray?
Yeah.
Oh, we better take a video of that.
There he is.
Awesome.
A different kind of stingray.
That's an Atlantic stingray.
Now,
That
let me cut him up.
should have a...
Fish in your thing.
Let me cut him up.
You gonna grab that bird?
Holy moly. Cut it. Just cut it. Cut it, Mariah. You can get it in your hand. Just cut the string. Cut it. Let it go. Cut
the string on the other side.
Get it as close as you can to the wing and then cut it.
But you got to cut both sides.
Oh my god.
Yay!
Oh, we better stick it.
hold on, Hunter. There it is.
Go over there and get him.
You need this?
Go over there and take a picture with him.
Y'all need the net?
No, don't cut that side first. Now,
Looking for that, Hunter.
hold on, Hunter.
Wait, Hunter. It's got a barb in it. Let it go.
Ooh, what's a bar?
He's sticking it up at you.
The hook is in.
How come he won't fly?
Okay. Now, let me find my camera.
There's too much commotion going on at once. I can't handle this. It's too much pressure.
Watch your feet, Hunter.
Yeah, there's a hook, trouble hook right in front of you. That's a weird looking thing right there. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's the stinger?
All right.
He keeps pointing it up. It's that thing.
That's it? Crap.
No.
I need another camera case, I think. I ain't got a battery. Here it is.
God.
I'm gonna knock it out.
No, wait, Hunter. Don't you knock it out. Hunter, stop.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Soon I can. Ooh, do you still have your scissors?
Can you get a picture of it, Hunter? Just to kick that over. Oh, I ain't got a
Can I
picture.
make a video?
Come here, Hunter.
Can I make a video?